Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting placement controls ready. Enable developer or cheat mode now because you'll need direct object manipulation. Once done, set grid snap to 0, 5 and rotation to 15 degrees, and check collision toggles so you can test movement without interference. Make sure to back up the save or duplicate the scene before making changes because you're about to override default safeguards. This reduces risk and lets you revert instantly if placement prevents action. Next, select the item that triggers the action prevented by Easy Place mode and toggle Easy Place off so you can switch to manual placement. Once manual, use micro-move tools to nudge, rotate, and lift the object in small increments. This avoids collision triggers. Also, disable auto-align or smart snap temporarily so the editor stops forcing positions that block actions. You're doing this to regain precise control, so adjustments don't reintroduce the original prevention. Finally, test the action after you've repositioned the object. Try the interaction and observe if the prevention persists. If it remains blocked, move the object 1/4 unit away, then retest. Small offsets often clear collision checks. When successful, re-enable useful assists and save to a fresh slot. If you still can't fix it, reset the object transform or clear placement-related flags in the inspector, then repeat the micro-adjust steps. This usually resolves lingering prevention issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.